Hey there, my fellow Scorpios! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. I hope you are doing well today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thank you as well for joining me here. To my soul families and soul tribes, I really do appreciate your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio, who is coming towards Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. For some of you guys, it could not be your energy. It's because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world, and I am one of them. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see, please. What do Scorpios needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. Let me see your readings. So. First, we have the Three of Cups. We also have the Five of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, the Hermit, the Eight of Wands, the Two of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Devil, the Chariot. We also have the Page of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, and at the bottom of the deck we have the Nine of Cups. And let me see your bonus card. We have the Justice. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. I would like to advise you to use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? The first foundation of your reading is the Three of Cups. This is a Cancer energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like there is a success and a celebration here. It could be that you are going to celebrate with your colleague at work. It could be that this is a teamwork and collaboration. For some of you guys, it could also be that somebody here wants to invite you to a party. Others of you, it could also be that this is a celebration of the milestone of your success. Or it could also be that somebody here wants to socialize with you. Others of you guys, it could also be that this person wants to celebrate with your success. This group of people. It could also be in your family, your workplace, your friend circle. It could also be your lover or in the community. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is a celebration of an engagement, a wedding, a birthday party, a baby shower, an anniversary, or just a simple celebration which is composed of feminine energy. It could also be composed of planning at work. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. There is success here and celebration. So congratulations. I love this card for you. And we have here the Five of Pentacles. This is a Taurus energy. And this is the obstacles and influences of this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is not your energy, because you have here success and celebration. It could also be, for some of you, you have an internal struggle. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that others of you are abandoning your physical, spiritual, and emotional aspects of your life. I don't know what you have, but I feel like you are not in the stage of poverty. It could also be that you are dealing with this person, this group of people in the past. This group of people could be in your workplace, in your family, your friend circle. It could also be your partner is involved in this scenario, or in the community. This group of people, because this is not only one. Yeah. This group of people are feeling abandoned by you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It's because I feel like in the past, you are supporting this group of people, especially with financial matters. It could also be that this is in your workplace. You are always doing too much work, and you are always working. And this group of people aren't reciprocated you. And I feel like this group of people now are feeling abandoned by you. They are feeling left out in the cold. Because I feel like you are no longer engaged with this group of people. It could also be that this group of people now are feeling on the stage of poverty. For some of them, it could also be that this person or group of people are sick. Or it could also be that this person or group of people are losing their job or their houses. Because I feel like in the past, You are always supported with this group of people. You are always there for these people in the past. Especially when it comes to financial matters. You are always very compassionate. You are always having a generous heart for these people. And I feel like in your struggles, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, this group of people never help you. Some of these people are preying on your downfall. Because this group of people in the past want you to be like this, to be in the stage of poverty, to have nothing, to lost your job, to lost your house, and to see you like this, sick and abandoned. Because this group of people aren't really your family, your co-workers who are there for you, your friends who are always at your side. It could also be your ex-partner. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And now, you withdrawn your energy from this group of people. And they see you that you have success and celebration. And I feel like this group of people is feeling entitled to celebrate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I feel like in the past, when you are struggling, this group of people are laughing on you because they want to see you. They are happy that you are suffering despite of your help and support to this group of people in the past. It could also be your ex. And you didn't expected that this group of people in the past abandoning you, especially in the times of your struggles, that you are feeling you against the world. This group of people in the past never supported you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And you are expecting them to support you because in the times of crisis with this group of people, you are always there for you. But it was a wrong expectation. And now, they want to celebrate with you. They are feeling entitled to your success. And now they are feeling left out in the cold. They are feeling not enough because, look, Scorpio, the Scorpio has success and celebration. And we are praying Scorpio's downfall. Yeah. But how Scorpio managed to bounce back the setbacks. Yeah. And now this group of people feeling not enough. Because they believe that you are better than them because you survived. They did everything to you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, in the past. They did everything to destroy you. And now they didn't expect that you have success and celebration. And that's why these are the feelings of the people in the past. They are feeling left out in the cold and abandoned with your energy. Because you are no longer dealing with these people anymore. Could be in your family, in your workplace, that you have also abandoned. It could also be in your friend circle in the past, and or your ex. Could also be in your community. I don't know what you have. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart, or you are dealing with Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Ace of Wands. This is a fire sign energy, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, or you have a fire sign in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. I feel like this is a beginning of a new creative spark, a new passion and desire, and you are accepting this challenge. You are very excited to to start these new ideas. You have a fire in your heart and you want to take an action. This creative spark, it's because you have passion and desire. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and this is the base of the situation. There is a new creative spark here. It could also be a new passion and desire. And we have here the Hermit. This is your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. I don't know what you have. I feel like this is your energy. You manage to climb up at the top of the mountain and you have the answer. You find the answers from the question in your mind because you did self-introspection, you did self-evaluation, and you always meditate. For some of you, you are finding your solitude. Or it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Virgo, and this person is investigating about you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that this person now are doing a shadow work, a self-evaluation and introspection, because I feel like this person is confused why you give them a silent treatment. Because I feel like you are no longer attached with this person anymore. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, could also be your ex, or in the community. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you, you are following your inner voice. You are moving with the dictate of your intuition, and you are detached from the outside world because you want to be alone. You are very tired and sick with the noise of the outside world, and that's why you choose to be alone and in a solitude mood than to have lots of friends or lots of people around you, and they are just betraying you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the 8 of Wands. This is a Sagittarius energy, and this is the distant future, around 12 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like there is a quick and clear communication here coming to you. It could also be that you are going to receive this in your email, your WhatsApp, or any kind of communication. It could also be related to your promotion at work. You are going to leveling up, and you have also a higher salary. For some of you, if you are working, others of you, it could also be related to travel. It could also be that you are going to have a vacation holiday with your family or the people who are dear to you. It could also be that this person wants to travel with you in a vacation holiday. Could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. It could also be that this group of people, because this is the 8 of Wands, wants to give you a clarity, a quick and clear communication of what has happened in the past. And this is all about positivity. But I feel like maybe you are going to travel and work, or you are going to have a vacation holiday in the other place or other country. Or it will also be that somebody wants to have a vacation holiday with you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 2 of Swords. This is a Libra energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is, or somebody is in the crossroad. This is your past experiences and influences. It could also be that somebody here is confused. Somebody here is feeling blindfolded. Somebody here is engaging a love triangle, a third-party situation. And that's why the attention of this person is divided into two. I don't know if it is you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. It could also be that you are dealing with a Libra. And this person now is in the crossroads. Could be that this person put you in a third-party situation in the past. And now, this person wants to make an important decision, a painful choices in their lives. It's because it is the time for them to make a final decision. And that's why this person is in the crossroads. It could be you or the person you are dealing with. It's because in tarot, it could also be reversal. If this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe advises you to clear up your mindset, to rest and calm your mind. It's because this is only a temporary scenario, and aside from that, it won't last longer. This is only the conflict between your mind and your heart. You are advised here to listen to the wisdom of your heart and your body, and this is your intuition. The truth is you are not blindfolded here. The truth is you only need to listen your intuition. It's because there are lots of things in our lives which our mind couldn't explain. And that's why you need to use your intuition here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your environment, either your home or in your workplace. This is the the Knight of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like you want to pursue what you have started here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be related to creativity, an investment, or a business. It could also be a studies. Yeah. I feel like you are very bold, you are practical, you are patient and courageous to continue this, what you have started. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you believe that it will lead you to a financial stability. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Capricorn. And this person wants to nurture the relationship. This person is heading towards on you, because this person realized to continue this relationship. It could also be that there was a divine intervention here in the past. It could also be that this person is your ex-friend, your ex-lover, in your family. It could also be in your workplace or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And there is a message here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. If this is your energy, I feel like you are advised to be patient and to continue what you have started. Maybe this is an investment, a business, or a creativity. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Devil. This is your immediate future energy around 3 weeks. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Double confirmation. You look, the Knight of Pentacles is also a Capricorn energy, plus the Devil is also a Capricorn. Of course, not necessarily a Capricorn, could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is obsessed on you. Could be this Capricorn. Yeah. Could also be other sign. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are married with this person. It's because there is a legal binding here. Not necessary. Or it could also be that somebody here engaging you in a third party situation. Just a minute because it's too loud. You look, this is your card. Somebody here is engaging you in a third party situation because the attention of this person is divided into two. That's why this person is confused. Somebody is engaged a third party situation. It could also be that somebody is strongly obsessed on you. And this person wants to control you. This is a very manipulative, toxic person. It could also be that there is an addiction here. Either alcohol or drug addiction. It could also be there is an obsession. A sex obsession. For some of you guys. I don't know what you have. It could also be that this person or group of people are mad on you. Jealous about you. About your success. You look. Could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn and this person is jealous with your success. It could also be that this person are also the one involved in the past with these people who are praying for your downfall. I feel like this person also are doing black magic on you. Because this person doesn't want you to win. This person wants you to be in a stage of poverty, to lose your job, to lose your house and everything. I don't know why so hateful these people in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. But I feel it because I'm also a Scorpio, and I think it's because of jealousy and intimidation. Most people are intimidated with our aura, no matter how nice we are to them. But some of them are intimidated. We are one of the most intimidating zodiac sign. Yeah. It could also be that this person is jealous and mad on your success. Could be you are dealing with a Capricorn. You look, especially when you are starting this new golden opportunity. Yeah. Others of you, it could also be that this is your feelings. Like, our souls are killed with self-destructive burning desires. This is our ego and pride. Or it could also be somebody who is prolonged into work and becomes a workaholic. It is also called toxic. It could also be that somebody here is being materialistic. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. But I feel that somebody here is strongly obsessed on your energy, your aura. This person wants to control you. A very toxic, manipulative person. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is your immediate future energy. Don't forget, around 3 weeks. And we have here the Chariot. This is your hopes and fears. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. There is a strong movements here. For some of you, it could also be that you are going to buy a car, or I don't know, maybe somebody wants to give you a car. Or you are the one who wants to buy a new car. For some of you guys, you have an inner strength and inner will, and you are now ready to proceed into a positive direction in your life because you overcome your self-doubts and your fears. Others of you, you are heading towards your victory. It could also be that you are going to relocate. You don't want to stay farther in the place where you live, because it could also be that your neighbors are toxic, and it could also be that your neighbors having a low vibes. I don't know. And that's why you want to relocate. You don't want to stay in your present surroundings where you reside. Others of you, it could also be that you are going to travel. It could be in the other place or abroad. But there is a success here, a victory, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I love this card for you, the Chariot. Congratulations. And we have here the final outcome of this reading is the Page of Pentacles. This is a Sagittarius energy. Sorry guys, a Virgo energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Double confirmation. You look, every time when I read the Scorpio's reading, this Virgo always come out. Oh my gosh. Double confirmation that you are dealing with a Virgo. It could also be other sign, not necessary. I feel like there is a message here for you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that this is related to a new investment, a new creativity, a business venture, and or study. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that you are presented with this new business venture. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Virgo will present it to you. And this person is going to approach you. It could also be a new work. This is a good news. For some of you guys, it could also be that you manage to continue what you have started. You are very patient and ambitious. That's why you continue what you have started, because you believe that you are going to be successful one day. This is the final outcome of this reading. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the outside influence as the Seven of Pentacles. This is a Taurus energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like whatever you have planted in the past, that things come into fruition. Others of you, it could also be that you are not satisfied with this profit in your business, or it could also be in your business venture, the gain and profit. And that's why you want to change the direction in your life. You want to do other things. If you want to change in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the change should start within you. Because doing the same things and expecting different results is not a part of changes. Others of you, it could also be that whatever you work in the past, it will come into fruition. This is not too fast. This is slowly. You are advised here to be patient and to have courage and perseverance. It's because if you want to build an empire, the empire will not build in 24 hours. So take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, and this person wants to nurture the relationship further. Or it could be you to this person. This is the outside influences of this reading. And we have here the Nine of Cups. This is clarifying the outcomes of this reading. This is a wish fulfillment. Your wish is being granted. That's why be careful of what you are wishing for, because there is a wish fulfillment here. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are feeling contented with what you have. You are enjoying your life. You want to live in a hedonistic way of life. Others of you, it could also be that you are manifesting this scenario to have a wish fulfillment. And yes, and yet the universe give you this wish fulfillment. So congratulations again. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. It could also be that this person viewed you as their wish fulfillment. It could also be you to them. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the bonus is the justice. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are working in the Department of Justice, or you are dealing with a person who is working in the law court. It could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. I feel like the universe will give you the truth, the honesty, and the clarity, the fair judgment. For some of you guys, this is the cause and effect. It is just like the law of karma. What goes around comes around. I feel like in the past, there are a group of people who mess you up. You look, these people who prayed for your downfall. These people who wants to put you in a stage of poverty, who wants to see you struggling, who wants to see you sick, without nothing, without home, without money, without food to eat, that you will like a beggar on the street. And I feel like this group of people could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And this group of people now are receiving their bad karma for what they have done to you, because the justice is in your favor. For some of you guys, it could also be that if you are dealing with a legal disputes in the court, for instance, an inheritance problem, a divorce, or any other kind of problem which is in the law court, rest assured that the justice is in your favor, because the justice is in your favor here. Yeah. It could also be that there are people in the past, could be this group of people. You look, they want to ask forgiveness and to reconcile with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because somebody here wants to try once more with this relationship. I don't know what you have. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, and this person wants to try once more with this relationship. Could also be a Taurus. Could also be a Virgo, and or a Sagittarius. Could also be a Cancer. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story. It could also be a Capricorn or a Pisces. Those are the signs that are receiving their bad karma for what they have done to you, because the justice is in your favor. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Five of Pentacles here for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Five of Pentacles here? Tell me more about the Five of Pentacles in this reading. Why the Five of Pentacles here? It is clarified as finality, farewell, leave behind. This is the clarification of the Five of Pentacles. For some of you guys, you already detached with this person, and this is forever, because this is finality. Yeah. Farewell, leave behind, and closure. Could be in your family, in your workplace, your ex, friends or ex-lover. It could also be in your community. Because this group of people in the past are abandoning you when you are struggling. This group of people in the past are laughing when you are struggling, when you are alone. They are not around you. You expect this group of people to be around you. It's because you helped these people in the past. You are there for these people because you are very compassionate, you are very generous. And this group of people aren't there for you. They left you out in the cold. And that's why when you are now having success, this group of people taste their own medicines. But you don't care anymore because this group of people are praying for your downfall. Others of these people are doing black magic on you, doing magic, what we call this, love spells, and it could also be that this group of people are engaging you in a voodoo, black magic, and they're just paying as well. They're just paying money in order that you will not have a success. And now this group of people are, could be for some of them, they lost their house, they lost lots of money, and yeah, what they have done to you backfires. But you don't care anymore because you look, you give this closure, farewell, leave behind. Could be Virgo, Cancer, Sagittarius, Libra, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Could also be a Pisces, a Capricorn, and a Libra. I don't know what shall my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the devil in this reading. Tell me more about the devil here. What the devil in this reading? For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the devil here? Oh yeah. oh. The devil is clarified as, oh, please, lusting. Yeah. The devil is clarified as lusting. This is forbidden, non-committal sexual energy. You look, this person is obsessed with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It's because this is a sex obsession. You look lusting. Yeah. This person is obsessed with your energy, with your sexual energy. But I feel like this person is already married because this is a forbidden relationship. Could also be that this person put you in a third-party situation or in a love triangle. But this person never loves you. I'm sorry, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This time I have to tell the truth, nothing but the truth only, because this person is only having a sex obsession on you. Could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But the Two of Swords is embodied the energy of a Libra. Yeah. And it is only a lasting feelings, not forever. It is only related to sexuality. It could also be that this person is a new person, could be your ex or a new person, and this person is strongly obsessed with your energy, It could also be that for this person, you look so magnetic and attractive. You look so sensual. And that's why this person is obsessed on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. But this person is married. This is very toxic and manipulated. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, why the Justice here? Tell me more about the Justice here, your bonus card. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Clarify me, please, the Justice in this reading. The Justice here is clarified as one day, someday, somewhere, another time. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. And this person wants to try once more with this relationship. One day, someday, another time. That you will forgive this person or them. It could also be a group of people. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Clarify me, please, the Chariot here. Why the Chariot in this reading? Tell me more about the Chariot here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. The Chariot is clarified as Heart Fog. Every time when I read this card will come out. Somebody here, look, an emotional blockage. Somebody here having an emotional blockage. Yeah. It could be that you are dealing with a cancer, or you have a cancer in your birth chart. And this person could be mess you up in the past. Yeah. And that's why this person having an emotional blockages. It could be your ex-partner, your ex-friend, in your workplace, or in your family and community. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. But I feel like this person messed you up in the past. Because this is also one person who wants to ask forgiveness and to reconcile with you. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. At the end of the day, I cannot say that, oh, you have to reconcile them, because it's up to you. You are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny. It could also be that this person is preparing themselves towards on you. They want to travel towards on you, or they want to approach you. I don't know what job, my beautiful soul, Scorpio. Or it could also be that this person wants to travel with you, to be with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. The Hermit here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please, for the star sign of Scorpio. Oh, thank you, spirits. Oh. The Hermit is clarified as foundation and sorrow. Yeah, look. It could also be that you are dealing with a person in your family. Could be your ex, or in your family, this person who embodied the energy of Virgo. And this is related to your family, strong foundation. Or it could also be that this person now are feeling grief, sorrow, and depressed. It's because you give this person a silent treatment. Could be in your family, could be in your workplace, could be in your friend circle, could also be your ex, or in the community. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And this person are in deep sorrow and regret. This is the Virgo. It could also be other sign, but the card says Hermit. Hermit is Virgo. You look what is the feeling of this person towards on you. Because you give them a silent treatment. Yeah. And you give them a finality. You give them closure. Farewell. Farewell to you, Virgo. It could also be other sign. And this is the feelings of the person now. Could be in your family, could be your ex. Could also be in your workplace, your ex-boss, your ex-colleague, your ex-friend, and or in the community. You look how sad these people are. Could also be a group of people, includes Virgo. They are now in grief and in sorrow for what they have done to you, and they wish to reconcile, to ask forgiveness. Yeah, I feel like this group of people are messed you up in the past. Yeah, you look. So take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that ends your readings for today, guys. Hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. I am very thankful and grateful if you do. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.